really want to share this idea and this concept of like, we work hard for the money that, you know, we go out there and earn at our, you know, our business, or, you know, when we go to work as an employee for someone else or whatever it is. Like, you know, we work really hard for the money that we make, and like, that's great. Like, that's good. I'm not trying to say, hey, you know, you should go to work and be that employee who, like, you know, is just milking the clock, or, you know, just kind of like doing just the bare minimum just so you could like keep your job. That's not what I'm getting at. But what really the concept and what I want to focus on in today's video is like the idea of like, you work very hard for your money, and you know, that's great, that's good, that's a great quality, you do a good job, you perform very well, and cool, that's good, you should keep doing that. But the question that I want to ask you and really get you to start thinking about, and even ask yourself and be very honest and real with yourself about it, is like, okay, you work very hard and, you know, perform very well for your money, but the question is like, do you have your money working just as hard for you? Like, so in other words, like, you work hard for your money, but does your money work hard for you, just as hard for you as you work for it? And really, that's what I want to kind of like share with you in today's video, is like exactly that. Like, hey, I work hard for my money, but is my money working as equally hard for me as I work for it? And if the answer is no, like, you have to start asking yourself, like, do I want to be the only one working, you know, hard? Or maybe, hey, it might be better to take a different approach. Or even if you're going to continue to work hard, like, why not have your money working just as hard for you as you work for it? And what that could really look like, and how that could just truly change your life from like a financial standpoint. Like, you know, there's nothing wrong. Like I said, we're working hard for your money. Cool. I respect that. I work hard for my money too. But I also want to be able to enjoy the fact that I work hard for my money, so I don't want to waste it. So if I could go ahead and take some of that hard-earned income, and I could get that money to work just as hard. And the truth is, the money works harder than I can ever work, because, I mean, I get sick, I get tired, you know, there's times when I can't go to work for whatever reason, all that kind of stuff. Money doesn't get sick, money doesn't get tired, money never calls off, money is just completely consistent. As long as you invest your money into quality assets, you know, whether that be a business, whether that be into real estate or in the stock market, as long as you invest that money into a high quality asset and it has all the potential in the world to just continue to go up in value over time, the money is always going to work and perform far better than you ever can. And like, money doesn't get old, money doesn't get like tired, it doesn't, you know, reach a point where it's like, oh, I need to retire. Like, no, your money's like, I will keep going as long as you put me in this asset. I'm going to continue to perform well. Like, you know, money doesn't have an opinion, money doesn't have a biasness, it doesn't care who you are, your color, your race, your anything. It's not about feelings, nothing. It just like, you give me a job, you know, you plug me into an investment, and I'm going to perform. Like, that's what I do. And that's exactly really what I just want to kind of like, you know, that's the message that I want to convey with you guys, or rather convey to you guys in this video, is like, you are a really hard worker. You do a great job. You work hard for your money. And, you know, I don't know if maybe this is something that you've ever thought about, but the question is, or the thought rather, is that you should have your money working just as hard, or you should have your money working for you just as hard as you work for it. And like I said, I just really just kind of wanted to like share this out there with you guys. I hope this like resonates with you guys, or at least get you to start thinking like, hey man, yeah, I do work really hard for my money, and it would be pretty cool to have my money working side by side with me, you know, working harder than me, producing and growing and building wealth for me right along with me, and helping me get to my financial goals, helping me make my financial life better. So like I said, I just wanted to bring this to you guys. Let me know if you guys, you know, resonate with this, if you do have money working for you, if you are investing, what you're into, all of that stuff. So hey, if you guys are new here to the channel, I would really appreciate it if you would find that subscribe button right beneath the video, give that subscribe button a quick tap for me. And then also, if you could go ahead and find the like button on this video, smash that like button for the algorithm. Thank you so much for doing that. And then, hey, so what's gonna happen next is a video is gonna pop up here on the screen. I want you to go ahead and click into that video, and I will see you in that next video.